subscribe, Hello, my name is Monroe. Welcome to Reading with Ro. Make sure to like, subscribe, hit the bell button, and give me some hearts. Today, I am reading How to Make a Book. If you ever read this book, comment below. Let's jump into the book. The title of this book is How to Make a Book. Barefoot. I'm going to make a book. I'll break some ideas into a cup. I'll beat them. I'll whisk them. Mix them up. I'll weight the words just enough. Choosing the right ones can be tough. The small ones go into the pot. He, she, it, when, and what. I'll drop some big words from way up. Elephant, crocodile, buttercup. Comment below if you know these words. Now that my story has begun, I'll cut out characters one by one. Colors, sounds, a picture, all add flavor to my mixture. Comment below if you see any cookies. I'll add a watery word or two. I'll pour them in and stir them through. Now, I'll put a lid on it. Wait a while, let it sit. And now I'll lay it in the tin. It's not until I roll it that I'll find out what it's all about. And now I'll lay it in the tin so my characters can all jump in. Next, the middle, the acting, the filling into the pan without any spilling. Now, all I'll need to do is simple. Add a spoonful of good and a pinch of bad. Turn up the heat. The bubbles quicken. And then my plot begins to thicken. Comment below if you hear any writing words. Each sentence will taste much better if I add and a capital letters. I'll find them in a moment. I've seen them myself. Here they are, a big cupboard top shelf. Finally, the ending. I'll press it down and add decorations all around. I will glaze it with happy as.
Let me see. Turn it. Happiness.
Happiness, leave it to cook, then make it brown. And finish my book. I turn the pages and I can see that my recipe has turned out tasty. I've done everything as the cook. To make my story a delicious book. I hope you liked this book. If you did, make sure to like, subscribe, hit the bell button, and give me some more hearts.